China's first granular water-soluble fertilizer. Cocoly is exported to 46 countries. Hello everyone, I'm Titan, in charge of the production and operation of granular water-soluble fertilizer in Cocoly factory. From raw materials to production to packaging to finished product delivery, every process is fully automated. And now we have dedicated technicians in each process. For example, from purchasing raw materials to finished products, we have established an overall AI automatic detection system. About raw materials, suppliers, we will go through plenty of inspection and approval. After that, the qualified raw materials will enter Cocoly factory. The staff will take samples and test immediately, including comprehensive analysis of solubility, color, odor, content, etc. Good raw materials lead to good products, so we can't be careless about product quality. We put all of energy to focus on one product. This is AI automatic matching system, which will automatically match materials. At the same time, we will monitor and track the temperature, speed, and pressure, and sensors of the equipment all the time. If there is any problem, the device will automatically repair itself in 0.1 seconds to ensure normal operation and the stability of product quality. In the production process of granular water-soluble fertilizer, we will test and inspect the product on granular shape, color, odor, and amino acid content. Cocoly Fertilizer adopts the dual standards of national standards and industry standards. Through AI automated production equipment and AI automatic analysis and testing equipment, we can ensure that each granule is 100% qualified to let customers buy and use without any doubt. This is packaging workshop. We use fully automated packaging production equipment. The workshop uses dual measurement standards. One is used computer to calculate, and the accuracy reaches 0.01 grams. The second is online measurement, which will conduct a second test on each bag. If qualified, it will enter the next process. If unqualified, it will be automatically removed to ensure that every bag of Cocoly is 100% qualified. The automatic loading system uses 3D visual scanning. After scanning, the robot automatically removes goods from the pallet, then use 3D vision to scan the carriage, automatically load and stack without gaps according to the size of the carriage. The stacking shape is very standard. To guarantee zero errors, our labor force can be greatly reduced. Automatic loading can be achieved with only computer control. In 2013, Cocoly created a new category granular water-soluble fertilizer. Now, it's exported to 46 countries. As the leader of granular water-soluble fertilizer, Cocoly has been leading this category to move forward. Every iteration upgrade technology innovation means the reflection of our dedication to quality. Cocoly will continue focus on the production research and development of granular water-soluble fertilizers. Let global agriculture get good harvest.